A challenge in making it big as an influencer is building an audience. You might have a lot of creative ideas brewing in your mind, but if you can't attract an audience, brands won't come rushing to you. But what if we tell you that you can become a creator without an audience? That's what UGC creators do. Have you ever seen a random face on a brand's TikTok account promoting or talking about the company's products? You've never seen them elsewhere, and they don't seem to have a considerable following, but they're still making content for Sephora or Samsung. How? Let's explain how you can also be in their place. What is UGC? UGC is user-generated content. Many brands use content generated by their audience on their social media pages and in marketing campaigns. Starbucks #White Cup content is a good example. The coffee chain encouraged its followers to draw on their white cups and share the results with the hashtag. Similarly, Calvin Klein's #MyCalvins campaign featured photos of people wearing their products. And we're all familiar with Coca-Cola's #ShareACoke campaign, which revolved around users sharing images of Coke cans with their own name. Now we're seeing a new wave of UGC content, in which brands actually pay people to create organic-looking content for them. Video is the most common UGC format, with brands paying people to make Instagram and TikTok videos for them. How UGC creators and influencers differ. The main difference between influencers and UGC creators is that the UGC creators aren't required to post the content on their social media pages or other channels. On the other hand, when working with influencers, a brand doesn't only pay for the content, but also the influencer's audience. UGC is also less professional and polished. It appears like a random user just made it, which can be beneficial because it looks more authentic. Why do brands want UGC content? Let's take two scenarios. In the first scenario, you see a professionally curated video of a new product from Nike. The second scenario shows an actual customer who has bought the latest Nike shoes talking about how much they like them. Which of the two are you more likely to believe? Customers are 2.4 times more likely to say the second. Research has also found that 51% of customers believe less than half the brands produce authentic content. That's enough reason for more and more brands to focus on UGC content, as it helps them present their products in a more authentic way. It also shows that the brand values its customers, which can help build loyal relationships. UGC content is also cheaper since brands are only paying for a video and not the following. Influencer marketing can cost hundreds of thousands, which is why many brands are switching to UGC content. How to become a UGC creator and make money. Let's cut right to the chase. You only need the following things to become a UGC creator: a good smartphone or a digital camera, some editing skills, a filming setup. You'll most likely have everything on this list. If you want to improve your setup, we recommend buying the following: ring light. It helps illuminate the area, especially when you're filming at night or taking close-up shots. Backdrops. You don't have to get expensive ones. Invest in a white or black backdrop, and you should be good. Mic. A lavalier mic is a small mic you can clip into the audio jack of your phone, or you can use the built-in mic on your camera if you have one. Build a portfolio. The filming setup and gear are all set. Now it's time to move on to the portfolio. If you don't have something to show, brands won't want to send you stuff. But where do you get a portfolio if you've never done UGC before? Start with making videos of random products you like. Here are some types of videos you can make: unboxing videos, testimonial videos, how-to tutorials. These are the most common types of videos brands need. After all, they want to show their audience how other customers use their products or feel about them. Practice editing. When you start making videos, you'll notice how they're much longer than what you're used to watching. But no one wants to watch you unbox a purse or a high-end tech gadget for 20 minutes. So, you need to edit your videos to make them shorter and more engaging. There are quite a few editing apps you can use, such as InShot and CapCut. TikTok also has an in-app editor that lets you quickly trim and add music to your videos. You can also use professional editing software like Final Cut Pro, but that's not necessary. Instead, focus on making your videos more trending. For example, try incorporating the latest TikTok trend into your videos. Find work. Now, you're prepared to start making money finally. Here are some ways. Fiverr. Create a gig for UGC content and upload your portfolio. A lot of other creators are already doing it. Upwork. Apply to UGC jobs posted by clients. Brands meet creators. Sign up and wait for brands to reach out to you with offers. Social media. Build up your presence on social media and tag brands in your content. Billo. If you're a US creator, you can apply to be part of the Billo network and find brands who want to hire you. Submit work and get paid. Once you've found the clients, make content according to their requirements. You'll get paid based on your agreement with the client. The most common payment option is PayPal, but you can also use Stripe or other payment platforms. With a few decent video making skills and knowledge of popular trends, you can also generate income through UGC content. Before you start making UGC content, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
All right, we're gonna make a lot of money together.